I want to talk about how to use the slip tool in Adobe Premiere Pro, which is accessed here, and also using the Y command. Down here on the timeline I have a clip of a sequence from the clock going the second hand from the clock going from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock there, then a disjunct from 20 past to nearly half past there. So there's a 10-second gap, there's a 10-second interval there in the middle, and then it jumps again from 10 to on the hour. So in the middle here we have a clip that's roughly 20 past to half past, 10 seconds. Now if I want to move that window, say from 20 past to half past, move it forward to 25 past to 25 to, I would use the slip tool, but what I would have to bear in mind is that when I'm moving this backwards and forwards like this, it's not the window that's moving, it's the clip underneath it that's moving. So if you imagine the clip underneath it being like a film strip that's moving backwards and forwards beneath the window, that's easier to grasp. So as you can see, the bottom big pictures on the left and right show the start and end point of that clip. This is where it was, starting about 20 past and ending at half past. The top left shows the clip to the left of that, which ends at 10 past. The top right shows the clip to the right of that clip in the middle, which starts at 10:02. So when I'm moving this, see the mouse pointer moving there. When I'm moving this to the left, I'm pulling the strip of film, if you like, the virtually imagined strip of film underneath this window to the left, which brings it forward in time. And as you can see, the pointer is moving forward now. Conversely, moving the mouse pointer the other way to the right moves it back in time. So it's moving the underlying clip underneath this window to the right, which is earlier in time beneath the window. So the set it here 25 past to 25:02. I would do that, and there it is. It ends at goes to 10 past, jumps to 25 past. From 25:02 it ends, and then jumps from 10:02 on the hour. That's how to use the slip tool.